Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Heybike Mars 3.0 electric bike. Make sure to click the link below for the best price. Let's start with power. The Mars 3.0 comes with a 1500 watts peak motor, giving you plenty of acceleration for quick takeoffs, hill climbing, and cruising at high speeds. With a top speed of 30+ mph, it's fast enough for city commuting and thrilling enough for weekend adventures. Paired with the 624 watt-hours removable battery, this bike can cover up to 65 miles on a single charge, depending on terrain and pedal assist level. That's perfect for long rides without having to worry about recharging constantly. The bike is designed for comfort and control, featuring a full suspension system. Both the front fork and rear shock absorb bumps in uneven terrain, ensuring a smooth ride on roads, trails, or gravel. The 4-inch fat tires add stability, traction, and comfort, letting you tackle sand, mud, or snow without losing grip. This makes the Mars 3.0 an excellent all-terrain option. For handling and safety, the bike is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, giving you strong, reliable stopping power in any condition. The 8-speed gear system allows you to shift seamlessly, whether you're riding uphill, downhill, or cruising flat terrain. And with the integrated torque sensors, the pedal assist feels natural and responsive, giving you just the right amount of boost without any jerky movement. One of the standout features of the Mars 3.0 is its smart NFC unlock system. This lets you securely unlock your bike without keys, making it convenient and futuristic. The bike is also foldable, which is perfect if you need to store it at home, bring it on a car, or keep it in a compact space when not in use. The frame is built for strength and durability while remaining lightweight enough for easy handling and folding. Whether you're commuting through the city streets or exploring trails, the bike feels stable, responsive, and safe. Another key feature is its user-friendly display, showing speed, battery life, distance traveled, and pedal assist mode. It keeps you informed at a glance, so you always know how much power you have left and how fast you're going. And since the battery is removable, charging at home or swapping batteries for extended rides is quick and hassle-free. So, who is this bike for? The Heybike Mars 3.0 is perfect for urban commuters, adventure riders, and anyone who wants a fast, reliable, and versatile e-bike. Its combination of power, range, and smart features makes it suitable for everyday commuting, weekend trail rides, or just cruising around town in style. To wrap it all up, the Heybike Mars 3.0 electric bike combines a 1500 watts peak motor, 30+ mph top speed, 65-mile range, full suspension, hydraulic brakes, 4-inch fat tires, NFC unlock, and foldable design into a sleek, high-performance package. It's powerful, convenient, and ready for all kinds of adventures. If you're ready to upgrade your ride and enjoy speed, comfort, and versatility in one e-bike, make sure to click the link below to check out the latest deal and get your Heybike Mars 30 today.